Here I have AP calculus AB problem. Okay, let's go to the question. Your curve has slope 2x positive sin x at each point x comma y on the curve. Which of the following is an equation for this curve if it passes to the point 0 comma 2? Okay, here we have the slope of the curve, that is 2x positive sin x. Actually, the slope of the curve is the derivative of the equation of the curve with respect to x, that is dy over dx equals to this stuff, that is a given slope 2x positive sin x. Okay, our aim is to find the equation of the curve. Okay, from the derivative, if I want to get the equation of the curve, what I have to do is I have to find integration. So before we start integrating on both sides of this equation, we have to get the denominator dx over here. For that, we have to multiply both sides of this equation by dx. Let me do it. Dx times dy over dx equals to 2x positive sin x times dx. I multiply both sides by dx and dx will cancel out on the left side. I'm getting dy equals to 2x positive sin x times dx. Okay, now let me integrate on both sides. Okay, when I integrate on the left side, that is when I integrate this dy, I'm just getting y on the left side. And here we have the first term 2x over here. So when I integrate this 2x, I have to keep this constant 2 as it is because this constant 2 is multiplied by the variable x. Okay, how do you have to integrate this x? So I have to assume there is 1 at the exponent of this x. Because whenever there is no exponent for a variable, we have to assume there is exponent 1. We can integrate this x to the first power using the power law of integration. That is, we have to add 1 to this exponent, then it will become 2. So I have to divide by the same exponent, that is 2. Okay, that is the the integration of this x, first power is x square over 2. Okay, now let's integrate this sin x. The integration of sin x is a negative cosine x. And also, it's indefinite integral. That is, we don't have lower limit and upper limit for the integration over here and here. Since it's an indefinite integral, always we have to add the constant of integration c for the result of integration. Okay, here we can cancel this 2 and 2. Then we get y equals to x square negative cosine x positive c. So this is the equation of the curve, but still it contains the unknown constant c. For that, we have to use this piece of information. That is, the curve passes the point 0 comma 2. Since the curve passes the point 0 comma 2, we can plug in the exponent 0 for x over here, and the y coordinate 2 for y over here. Then I'm getting 2 equals to 0 square. 0 square is just 0, negative cosine 0 positive c. We get 2 equals to, we can skip this 0, negative. The value of cosine 0 is 1, positive c. Okay, now to find the value of c, we have to get this negative 1. For that, we have to add 1 to both sides. When I add 1 to both sides, negative 1, positive 1 will cancel out. I'm getting 3 on the left side, on the right side, c. Okay, now I got the value of c, that is 3. Now we can plug in this 3 for c over here. Then the equation of the curve is y equals to x square negative cosine x positive 3. So this is the equation of the curve, and we find this equation y equals to x square into cosine x positive 3 in answer choice C. The correct answer choice for this question is C.